Subscribe. I upload around every Wednesday or once every 2 weeks.
I've been trying, I swear. Anyways, wanna go from this to this? Then follow my lead. If you have any edit tutorial requests, just like and comment it down below, and I'll try my best to get it done. Also, please subscribe, it helps more than you know. Now, before we start, what background y'all prefer? There's blue, orange, gray, yellow, multicolored. There's blue again, red.
Man, shut your...
Before starting, get the character in your clip and cut them out, then put a green screen behind them. I did this part on CapCut but forgot to record. If you don't know how, watch the beginning of this video and come back. Get your original clip, this will just be used for the background. Now add in your effect. You can also use this if you want, it will be linked in the comments. If you want to change the color of it, all you have to do is go to basic correction. Put saturation on -1 and add a color image. Then go to Effect, Blending, then change Normal to Overlay. Now back to the main edit. Go to Asset Store and choose Glow. Only change the color if it's needed. When is it needed, you may ask? Sorry, I don't know. You can tweak the glow settings based on how bright you want the effect to be. When you're done, go to Asset Store again and add another glow. This time leave it how it is. Now go to Effect and choose Blending. Change Normal to Hard Light and put Opacity to 0.99. After that, add the clip with green screen. Go to Mask, then choose Chroma Key. Put red intensity to 1. Now, add a color of your choosing so it can sort of be like a filter. Go to Effect, Blending, then scroll down and choose Vivid Light. Put opacity to 0.56. Go back to the green screen clip, go to Asset Store, and select Light Sweep. The way you should adjust these settings will be based on where you would want the light to shine on your character. Usually you would want to make sure it's next to the person's head. But make sure a thick line is not visible on the character. Click here, and go over to the color of the background. Now click on Line, and change the width to 0.35. Add to keyframes on hardness. The beginning keyframe will be on for 0.11, and the keyframe at the end will be on to 0.03. Drag it to the end. Scroll down to Edge, and change the color the same way you did before. You don't have to mess with those settings. Once you check over to see if it's to your liking, go to export and change the FPS to 30, then export and you're done. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. If you have any questions or have any requests, just comment them down below. Also, I will be posting another tutorial on Friday, though that one might be kinda short. Thank you for choosing to watch my video.